When it comes to gas work in your home, using a licensed contractor is very important. My name is Dean Schmidtke, leader of Incident Investigations at Technical Safety BC. We recently investigated an incident in BC where an unlicensed contractor was hired to replace a residential gas-fired hot water tank with an electric water heater. The gas line was removed from the tank, but it was left uncapped. 3 days later, the gas was turned back on without the homeowner being aware of the uncapped line. This resulted in a gas leak inside the home, and ultimately an explosion that blew out the front windows and also pushed the wall of the log home off its foundation. Incidents like this can be prevented. While luckily there were no injuries, it caused serious damage to the home. While you may think it's easy or it can save you money when it comes to gas work in your home, it's essential to get a licensed contractor to perform your work. If you're not sure where to start, you can head to technicalsafetybc.ca and use our contractor search tool to find a licensed contractor in your area who should have the qualifications to get the job done safely.